more funded and focused feature. A strong incubator or accelerator program delivers return on investment you can see and check off as you go. So instead of moving through guesswork, founders jump into action and start stacking wins. Business officially set up. Finances organized and bank ready. Clear records for grants, loans, and investors. Funding opportunities identified and matched to your goals. And a pitch that's polished and ready to send. And a visibility and growth plan you can actually follow. It's progress you can track, momentum you can feel, and a business that finally moves from thinking about it to building with purpose. Each step completed becomes part of the real return. More clarity, more confidence, and more opportunities for long-term success.